Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Ox Talks. Appreciate you checking out the show. Appreciate you supporting the channel. Please like, subscribe, and share the videos with as many people as you possibly can. I just wanted to come on real quickly and address what appears to be a stock market, a bit of a stock market sell-off today. Recording this video just after the markets closed. The Dow Jones fell 626 points today. That's 1.51%. The S&P sold off 2.12%. It's down 119 points. The Nasdaq sold off 577 points, down 3.26%. The market did not close at the lows of the day. About 15 minutes before the closing bell, I saw the Dow down over 750 points. Nasdaq was down well over 600 points. So I came back just a little bit. Would you guys call this a crash? Would you call this sell-off round two for what we saw just about a month ago, back on August the 5th? I'd love to hear your comments. I did a video just about a week ago where I shared a story out of one of the big bank analysts had come out and said, look, exercise extreme caution with the markets. And his take was that everybody had become extremely complacent again after the market sell-off in early August. The markets were right back up and even higher than they were before the last sell-off in early August. And the takeaway was, that people's memories are very, very short. And that his analysis was that that could have just been kind of the first shot across the bow relative to the volatility in these markets. And I posted I put up a video. I shared that article. So go back and check it out. I'll try to link that video if I can to this one once it gets up and running. It was just a couple of weeks ago, and the thumbnail says warning ahead, something like that with the stock market symbol. So go back and watch that video as well. But it's very, very interesting how maybe today is the beginning of that playing out. I'm going to do I have another video already recorded I'll be posting also today. It talks about the U.S. manufacturing numbers that were released this morning. It seems to me, again, leave your comments below, that was the initial catalyst that sent the markets going in a negative direction. And the point was the U.S. manufacturing is literally imploding. Okay, we have inventories building, and what the takeaway from some of the the data this morning is that the jobs numbers may cause the jobs numbers to come in hotter than expected Friday. And so again, the markets are looking all towards how does this relate to the Fed cutting rates and free money. Okay, that's all the markets care about. So again, I'd love to hear your analysis, your input, your thoughts. But again, there's the sell-off today in the stock market right there. We also had a sell-off in oil. Oil's down darn near below into a 60s handle. Oil sold off 4.1% or $3.24. There's oil for you. The 10-year was down 6 basis points, okay, to 3.84%. So what that obviously is a sign of a fear, a little bit of fear trade, people buying bonds when the yields come down. That means people are buying into the bond market. I saw that gold and silver gold didn't really do poorly. It was down about $21 a troy ounce this morning, finished down only $6. Silver did finish down about a 1.5% lower, 52 cents. So interesting dynamics right now. What's going on? Is this just the start of what's typically September is a volatile month for stocks? You've got stock people out there across YouTube saying, look, it is to be expected, no big deal, a little bit of volatility is good. Is it a buy the dip moment? Again, I'm not giving trading advice. I'm not giving stock tips. I'm not involved in the markets. I'm just sharing with you what I'm seeing unfolding today with the markets. Okay, so first trading day of September 2024. Have investors become complacent again? Again, leave me your comments. Those of you that are in the stock market, do you believe this is just a nothing burger and an opportunity to be accumulating positions? or is this the beginning of something more substantial in terms of a downturn? The manufacturing data suggested possibly a stagflation event unfolding here. So let's see what this means. I'll keep it short today. I just wanted to share that with you. And everybody obviously use your own discretion, and everyone's got their own risk appetite. If you have, in this struggling economy, if you even have extra money to be putting in the stock market, obviously just be very careful and just understand what you're doing, what you're getting into. All right. Be careful taking stock tips from the guy down the street. You need to be listening to whatever you're investing in. Okay. It's not financial advice. It's just common sense. Whatever you're investing in, you should understand what you're doing. Take some time to educate yourself, on those markets. Understand the risks, okay, and don't just jump on the fear of missing out bandwagon, because in times severe downturns, it sometimes takes years and sometimes decades for this stuff to return to pre-sell-off levels. Am I suggesting that that's where this is going? No. I mean, a 600-point drop in the Dow is really not that big of a deal per se, but it's a substantial tick down following what we saw happen in early August. Which was more sizable. See if the markets bounce back and go from there. Check out, go back and look at the stock market warning video I did a couple weeks ago. And also in a little bit, I'll be putting up, sharing with you the U.S. manufacturing data, which came out today, and it's really, really ugly. A lot of negative sentiment. Okay, so talk to you soon. Appreciate again you watching. Please share the videos, and we'll be in touch. Bye.